Hey everyone, for today's video I'm very excited because I'll be doing my annual holiday gift guide. So if you were looking for some good options and last minute gift ideas, then just keep on watching. This first gift idea is great for that person on your list that's always on the go and they're just very busy, working hard, and they honestly just need a little bit of extra R&R time. So with this first gift set, it can be found at Shoppers Drug Mart and it's from the brand Indian Purry, and this is by Jessica Holander. So in this set, it comes with a very warm robe. It also comes with a dry brush, which is amazing for your skin. It comes with bath salts, a shower gel, and a hand and body cream. And the next products are great for a bath time, and they're just bath bombs, and these are from the brand called Me Bath, and they have so many really great scents. And the next product that I want to show you is from Olay, so it's the Olay Whips, and this basically is a foaming body wash and it gives you a luxe lather, and these smell really great as well. And the next are some very comfy PJs. These are honestly the softest PJs that I own, and they're from Reitman's, and they have lots of other great designs as well. And then lastly is this candle, and this could be found in Indigo, and it's in the scent called Snowy Pine. And basically with the fragrance notes, they're fresh pine, spice sandalwood, and balsam fir. So just sets the mood for a really great evening. This next gift idea, I definitely love to give this or receive it, and it's beauty and makeup products. So here are a few of my suggestions. These first few products are from Quo and could be found at Shoppers Drug Mart. So with this brush set, it's extremely soft and comes with a case as well. And also with the holiday collection, there's a wide variety of products at different price points, ranging from palettes, lip products, mani sets, and much more. Next is the Sweeten Up Buttercup set by Benefit, and this could be found at Sephora. It includes a cute makeup case, a mini hula matte bronzer, and in full size it has Gimme Brow, The Professional, and Bad Gal Bang, and this set is a nice selection and has a great value. This option you can never go wrong with, and it's body care, and basically this is just an essential, so here are some good options. These products are from Fruits and Passions Aloe line, and they have a lot of amazing options to choose from. The scents have a fruity and tropical mix and are very long lasting. And next is a set from Soap and Glory, and this is for your hands and your heels, and it makes a nice inexpensive stocking stuffer. And if the person on your list has sensitive skin or likes mild scents, I would recommend anything from Aveeno as well as Palmer's, because the products are hydrating and perfect for the winter. Schick has great gift sets for women that are $16.99. They all include a different razor, which is a Schick Intuition with the Advanced Moisture Bar, Fab Razor, or the Hydro Silk Razor. They all have refills, warm fuzzy socks, and these last two have a shave gel. They also have nice options for men too. So with this Bulldog set, it has 3 skincare products, and with the other sets, they include the Hydro 5 Scents or the Hydro 5 Groomer, 2 refills, a shave gel, and some nice socks. Another one of my favorite places is the Body Shop, and they have amazing options to choose from. They have gift sets at many different price points and in a wide range of products and scents. And also for this Christmas, what's wonderful is that with every purchase, this helps to protect endangered creatures and restores 10 million square meters of rainforest. And lastly, they have seasonal scents that are available in peppermint candy cane, berry bonbon, and vanilla marshmallow. And these are limited edition and they smell so good, and I'll definitely recommend checking them out. My fourth idea is hair care, and these products can be used on any hair type. So first is shampoo and conditioner, and this is from OGX, and these ones are Mistletoe Wishes, and they smell absolutely amazing, and they're from the holiday line, and they have other good options as well. And with these next two products, they can be used a few different ways, which is honestly amazing to me because I like using products for different uses. So with this specifically, it's from Maui Moisture, and this is a hair mask, and it's good for damaged hair, but you can also use this as a leave-in conditioner as well. And then next, this is something from Korres, and this is a pure Greek olive, and this is a 3-in-1 nourishing oil, and you can use this on your face, your body, and your hair, so it's just going to give you that extra hydration. And then next is a product that can be found at Indigo, and this is the macaron for hair, and this is from the brand called Milk and Sass, and this is a detangling hairbrush, and it also has a compact mirror as well, so this is perfect for on the go and for travel. And the last product that I want to show you is from Invisibobble, and this is a traceless hair ring. So basically with this product, it's not going to leave that line in your hair, you're not going to get headaches, and it's also going to give you a really good grip. These next options are great for that person on your list you want to splurge and just get them something a little bit luxurious. So here's some great suggestions. My next gift idea is nail products, and the first ones that I want to show you are from Sally Hansen, and these are from the Beautifier collection. So basically with these polishes, they help you to have a really nice mani. So they have 3 different top coats. So the first one is fast dry, high gloss, and matte. And they also have a nail and cuticle serum, a nail corrector, and a nail primer. And the next option that I want to show you is from Sensation Nail, and this is the Express Gel, and this is a complete manicure kit. And with this one specifically, it comes in the shade Made Him Blush, and they have some other really great colors as well, so that you can do your gel mani at home. Another good gift idea is skincare products, and with these products, I'll show you a range from drugstore to high-end. Neutrogena has a wonderful selection of products for all skin types, ranging from sheet masks, makeup wipes, treatments, sun care, and more. And Estee Lauder has a great range of products to help and keep skin looking amazing. My 8th idea is accessories, and Reemans has such a wide range, so I want to show you 4 really great options. So first is a scarf, and I love the design of this. This is extremely warm and cozy, and they also have different colors and styles as well. And then next are these gloves. These are lined, and they're going to keep your hands nice and warm. And then lastly are 2 jewelry pieces, and this necklace is very dainty, and this bracelet is such a timeless design. With this last gift idea, this is something that is very near and dear to my heart, because especially when it's a holiday season, I like to think about how fortunate and how blessed I am. And honestly, there are so many less fortunate people in this world, so I definitely always like to give back. So these are 3 really great options that I want to tell you about. So first is with World Vision, and they have a gifting catalog, and I'll read some of the options that you can basically give someone a gift in their honor. So they have agriculture, animals, clean water, education, health and nutrition, and lots of other options as well. And if you did still want to give someone a gift, you can still give them something that was handcrafted, and it's also fair trade, so that's another option as well. And then next with the Shoebox Project, this is something that I recently found out about and I was able to participate in when I went to an event. And basically with that, they collect and they distribute gift-filled shoeboxes to women that are impacted by homelessness in communities across Canada and the US. And then lastly is Operation Christmas Child. And with this, I did want to mention that the cutoff date has already passed if you did want to personally pack a box, but you can still do so online. And for me personally, this is something that I love to do every year. I like to do with my family, and it's always fun to just pack these different boxes. There are 3 different age categories, and you can pack one for a girl and for a boy, and it's just a really nice thing that you can do to help a child in need. So those are all my gift ideas, and I hope you found this to be helpful. And I also want to send a huge thank you to all the brands that partner with me to make this video possible. I'm so grateful, and thank you so much for the opportunity. And I also did want to give back to you guys as well, because honestly, if it wasn't for your love and support, none of this would be possible. So I'll be having a giveaway on my channel, and my sister will be having a giveaway on her channel as well. So I'll leave the link to her video down below, as well as more information on how you can enter. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!